Okay, I've got some customers here that want to have this touched up, both sides. I got to clean it up a little bit, kind of brighten those letters up and bring them out. Thought it might make for a fun video. Hope y'all enjoy. Okay, so I got it sanded a little bit, hit it with the wire brush some, cleaned all that off just with some glass cleaner and a paper towel. Now I'm going to go over those letters with a little bit of denatured alcohol. Whole point right now is just to get the surface where the paint's going a clean enough place to stick. So let's get back to it. Okay, that's all cleaned up, ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and mix up some paint for this. Because it is old and rusty, we're not going to make it look like bright white. We're going to dull our white down a little bit. Usually my recipe for that is adding antique gold to my white. So I'm going to get my white going here first. Probably I'm going to put a little bit of hardener in this. Hopes that that'll keep it around for a while. And then probably end up putting put a little bit of clear in with my white too, just to make it a little thinner so you can see those brush strokes a little bit. These wouldn't have originally been hand painted, they would have been painted with a screen if I know what I'm talking about, which I probably don't. But I know it was some sort of other process. It was a mechanical process. It wasn't something where people hand painted that. But it looks nice when we make stuff like the age to show a little bit of the brush strokes. So I'm going to get my paint mixed up and get started painting. Probably won't talk to y'all again until it's done. So hope you enjoy. Alright, so I've got it all painted and it's mostly dry on this side and this side. The other side's still drying. I'm going to use probably, I think, 1,000 grit sandpaper, or at least 600, and go through and kind of take some of the sheen off of it just a little bit, see how it looks, and we might be calling it done after that. Alright, I'm going to call this done. Let's go ahead and take a walk around on it. Alright, I decided to switch to photos since I had the glare on the video there. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please click the like button and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this, or click on one of the 2 videos that pops up here and enjoy watching. Have a good day. Bye.